This is an urgent winter weather bulletin issued by National Weather Service, which they have issued a blizzard watch. Please stand by for the message of National Weather Service.
This is a special weather statement, issued until 4:45 p.m. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a blizzard watch for the following counties: Champaign County in Ohio, Logan County in Ohio, Hamilton County in Ohio. Until 12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, please move indoors.
Hey, didn't you hear about that blizzard? Yeah, it's supposed to, it was like a watch, but it's supposed to end until 12 p.m. We just heard it right now. So, why are you asking? Wait, that's snow. Wait, it's what? Oh no. It's messing with the strains. Why is it messing with the strains? No, no, no! Breaking news. A phenomenon has currently occurred with the bridge. The snow has appeared to kind of become blizzard and started some winds to burrow, causing the whole bridge to fall apart. Some deaths has been reported to the current hospital. Residents of the state of Ohio shall shelter in place. Here are these places that shall shelter in place until this blizzard stops. Hampton County, Champaign County, Logan County. Those are the only counties that shall shelter in place. This blizzard may have snow to the accumulations of 1,000, which, in this case, the current blizzard has gone to a new level. And because of this, we will not continue normal programming.
Learning with Bibby, learning is so fun. We like to spell and we love to hug. Learning with Bibby. What is that? It's coming! Run, run, run! Bibby, I'm scared. Don't worry, Bun Bun. I'll always keep you safe.
So fun. We love to spell and we love to hug.
I discovered whole other worlds that are nothing like mine.
Oh, you're gonna love it here.
An urgent winter weather bulletin from the National Weather Service in Wilmington. A blizzard warning has been issued for Champaign County in Ohio, Hamilton County in Ohio, Logan County in Ohio, until 2 p.m. EDT. Please move to a warm place in your home. Do not go outside.
Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. President of the United States or one of his representatives will speak over the air shortly.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Do not go outside at this time, unless it is an actual emergency. If you are trying to go to a store, do not go outside at this time. It appears that the blizzard has currently taken over the whole entire Ohio area. If you see any snow particles, it is advised that you get out of your house and immediately run. Do not go to any shelter, as you will be stuck there forever. Evacuate Ohio now, as this is dangerous. I repeat, evacuate Ohio now, and if you see any snow particles coming, get in your vehicle and drive away, or immediately run, 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 run. I think the emergency alert system is now glitching. Anyways, evacuate Ohio now and if you don't have a vehicle, start running. Immediately run, 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 run. Please. The EAS is glitching. Wait. Whoa. Is the EAS getting covered? Well, everyone in Ohio, if you're seeing this message, it is advised that you immediately run. Run, 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 run.
So you think that you can run? Well, you can't. So go riot for your family. I'm done.
There is cloudy, highs in the mid-80s, lows in the mid-70s.
Following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is an all-clear message. Repeat, this is an all-clear message. Have a wonderful day. Following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is an all-clear message. Repeat, this is an all-clear message. Have a wonderful day.